Internal load. Okay, if you consider this body, this deformable body, you apply a force F1, F2, F3, and F4, and then the body is in equilibrium. It means that if you cut a section, you will get this picture. Okay, the force F1 and force F2, but this picture is still in equilibrium. What force make this picture in equilibrium? The force that make this picture in equilibrium is internal load, because internal load try to balance external load. What does this mean? F1, F2 is two of them are external loads, but all the force try to make it balance. Like the upper part will have some force to make balance with the lower part. You will learn in static, if you sum all this force at the centroid, and then you get this resultant force and resultant moment. Okay, you can write it from static knowledge. Okay, after that you're gonna resolve all this force into normal force, shear force. You can resolve moment into torsional moment and bending moment. Okay, first, okay, you can resolve the force in this direction and in this directions. You can resolve the moment in this direction and this direction. Okay, let's see the picture. The force here, we can call it as normal force. What's it? Normal force is the force that perpendicular to the cross-sectional area. Okay, normal force is the force which is perpendicular to the cross-sectional area. The second one is shear force. What's it? Shear force is the force with parallel to the cross-sectional area. Okay, so we have two type force. One, normal force. Second one, shear force. Okay, moment. Okay, torsional moment. What's it? If rotational axis perpendicular to the area, we have the moment called torsional moment. You will see the rotational axis point out from the area. We consider it as torsional moment. Another internal load is bending moment. Bending moment, okay, the rotational axis parallel to the cross-sectional area. We call this moment as bending moment. Okay, so from now on we will study about the internal force related to the material. Okay, again we focus on internal load. So let's summarize it again. We have this all external force apply here. If we cut section, we will see internal force or internal load, maybe in the force or moment. If we resolve into this and this, you will see the force that perpendicular to the cross-sectional area we call normal force. The force with parallel to this area we call it shear force. Okay, this is two force you can consider, and you have two moment. The moment that axis, rotational axis, perpendicular to the cross-sectional area we call it as torsional moment. And the last one, the moment which axis parallel to cross-sectional area we call it bending moment. Okay, from now you will study one by one the effect from normal force, the effect from shear force, the effect from torsional moment, and the effect from bending moment. Okay, enjoy you watching.